In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create client intake forms in DocuSign using a reusable template. We'll walk through signing in, setting up a template, adding fields, sending it to clients, and tracking responses. If you already have an intake form saved as a PDF or Word document, you're ready to go. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in with your email and password just like you normally would. If you use two-step verification, complete that as well. It's a good practice to keep your account secure. Once you're in, look at the top menu and open the template section, then choose Create Template. Templates are the key to saving time. Instead of rebuilding your intake form for every new client, you'll set it up once and reuse it whenever you need. By the way, if you need help finding DocuSign quickly, I've placed a direct link to the official website at the very top of the description. Use that link to access the site safely and easily. Next, upload your form. Click Upload and select your intake form from your device. DocuSign supports PDF, Word, and several other common file types. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to identify later. If your form was scanned, make sure the text is crisp and the fields are clearly visible. Now add your recipient. Enter the client's name and email address, and set their role to signer. This tells DocuSign who needs to fill out and sign the form. If you want a copy for your records, you can optionally add yourself as a recipient with a Receive a Copy role. It's time to place fields on the form. Drag and drop the text, signature, date, and initials fields to the correct spots. Assign each field to the signer, so DocuSign knows who completes it. You can resize fields, align them neatly, and mark them as required. For text fields, consider adding validation for phone numbers or emails. And choose a date format that matches your workflow. When everything looks good, save your template. Click Save and use a clear naming convention, like Client Intake Form, Standard. Saving the template means you can send the same setup to any client without rebuilding it. To send the form, select your template, add the client's details, and click Send. Include a short, friendly message so your client knows what it's for and what to expect. Finally, track progress in your DocuSign dashboard. You can see what's waiting for others and what's completed, and you can download the finished form for your records. That's how to create client intake forms in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.